I'll be showing you how to trim and cut in Adobe Premiere Pro 2022. So let's say you have a video or an audio, you want to actually cut between a clip. So let's say, for example, I have this video. So if I played this video, you can see that it's actually welcome to my YouTube channel play before the music starts. So what I want to do is I want to actually trim the silence in this video, so I can actually just expand to see where the video starts. Or let me just take this here, so I can actually see that okay, the video starts from here. So what you can actually do here, you can see that here we have what we call the razor tool at your left hand side. So I can just click on that and then just place it here from to the place where you want to actually cut your video. And also for the audio, I want to actually cut it from here. So what I can now do is, if I want to delete, I can now select the selection tool, and here we can select the video and then just press delete on your keyboard. And also here we can also decide to actually just, for example, we can decide to just bring back and just take it back by taking your mouse just in between where you've cut the audio. We can actually just reduce or increase the size of the audio we just cut. So what I can also do, let me just first of all take this, I can decide to actually bring this up or bring this down. So what I can do, what I want to do right now is to delete this, and then what I can also do is select the video and then move it back again to the beginning of where the video is going to start. And also for the audio, I'm going to also move it to the beginning of my clip. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. This is how you actually cut or trim in Adobe Premiere Pro 2022.